Hey guys, it's Nick and David here with the Decampers, and this weekend we're out camping at Taylor's Ferry South. It is a Corps of Engineer campground in Wagner, Oklahoma. So here I go. I'm not using the gimbal, guys. This is kind of a last minute thought. Coming down out of our little neighborhood. Ooh, little bump. I should have gotten this a little bit earlier because our neighborhood's like way up on a hill. Here goes the neighbor's little farm dogs following me out. Gentle giants. Oh, and here comes one of my least favorite parts in our neighborhood. This is what you might call a low water bridge. This dip, there's a big creek that can swell and run through here. And it's been raining so hard, I'm surprised there's no water running. Man. Oh, one of our neighbors way out there, they just got a new fifth wheel, like this week. It is a chaparral. Oh boy. Okay, hang on just a second. I'm going to show you guys our little exit bridge. It is hairy. Okay, here comes our really hairy little exit out of our neighborhood. Oh man, it's a one-lane bridge that is often underwater when it rains really hard. Look at this little old-timey thing. I'm gonna roll my window down and show you. Yeah, old-timey. Okay, here we go. I got to bring the nose of the truck all the way to the edge, which is always a little bit nerve-wracking, to make that turn. You see the trailer and the tow mirrors there. And we're making this right. And all the rain, there's a couple good potholes pulling out of here. Just hoping I can avoid those with the trailer. There goes the truck in one. Very slowly, slowly, slowly. Careful, careful. Okay. Here we go, hitting the road. made it. Pulling in out of the gate there. So the site that we have, oh, look at the bird flying around over there. Look at that. You see that? The site that we have, you kind of have to go backwards around the loop to be lined up to it. So I'm gonna go all the way around backwards. This is called talent. This is called driving and filming. But hey, I'm only going 5 miles an hour, so don't give me too much grief, guys. So this is Taylor Ferry South. This is a Corps of Engineers site. And we did a review video on this park during the winter. And we were actually here last weekend, and I'm really happy to see some of the grass has come back after the flooding. Okay, so I'm about to hit a really tricky spot that I'm not looking forward to dealing with at all. You see right there is a camp host trailer. Well, I have to go this way, hook it real sharp that way to be able to be lined up to our site properly. When I did this last weekend, I was gritting my teeth. I was nervous about it. I mean, see that little culvert drop off there. Got all these power poles to contend with the tail swing. Okay, I'm gonna put you down and see how this goes. This is how it's going. I mean, my God, look at the angle I'm at. Jesus, scary. Woo! I do not like doing this. I love this site that we're going to, but you know what? This might be the last time we take this site. It's funny, as last weekend, that green motorhome was there, and it looks like we're gonna have the same exact neighbors in front of us again. That's cool, they were friendly. Okay, so let's see how this is gonna go. Alright, let's go check things out, because I noticed some really classy previous campers left bags of trash. So I need to make sure everything's cool back here, no screws or anything stupid. Oh, and look, they left some outdoor rugs. Thank you for that. Believe I may be keeping those. Look at how trashy. Literally left trash and rugs, and just, ugh, so rude. Anyway, Site 77, here we are. And I get to back in. Okay, so I kind of jumped ahead on you guys. It's actually the next morning. I didn't really want to have the camera out while I was setting the trailer up. It started to rain again. But now it's Saturday morning and no rain. In fact, it's clear skies and sunshine. It's awesome. So yeah, we're all set up and everything, and we had a good little night last night. We just kind of hung out, just kind of chilling, and yup, our little site. We're so glad to have Site 77. These views are just so high up off of the ground. The rear of the trailer, the windows from the the rear facing living room is just great. So high up in the air. Awesome views here. This is my favorite campground. One of David's two favorites.
Yeah, very nice out here.
Really cool sites. You're not crammed in. We actually did during kind of the late winter, we did a kind of a drive-through review of this place. But now, you know, there's like grass and trees and everything. This is, I believe, the first weekend it's been opened back up since all the like crazy flooding here in Oklahoma.
Yeah.
So anyways, let's do our little walk around. We'll show you around. It is humid. Oh my God, it's so humid. It's pretty good temps. It's not even 80 degrees, but man, the humidity. Just either side of the campground, there are thunderstorms going on. We were supposed to have gotten that here at the campsite, but it just never happened. And really, rain is kind of a bad word in Oklahoma this year. Just look behind me here. You can tell the water was right here across the road that I'm at. Look how tore up all that is. It just washed all the soil away. It's just rocks and awful now. And did I tell you it's humid? Oh my God. I wish it would just hurry up and rain here instead of just nearby, creating all this humidity.
hot and summery out here.
Making our way to our site.
Yeah.
I'm ready for some air conditioning after this.
Yeah, I'm ready to get back in the trailer. I'm a hot, sweaty mess now.
There's our trailer coming up right there. Woo! It is humid. You hear the bugs? I'm not sure what those are, locusts or something. It is hot. Or at least just humid gross. Whew. But yeah, whatever. We love Taylor's Ferry. I mean, look at the elevation. That is so cool. We love these rear living room sites. Just elevated perfect, like they're made for our rear living. It's so humid. I'm going to cut across this site and kind of walk behind our trailer, give you an idea of just how sloped these sites are. I'll have to go inside and show you the view from our living room. I mean, man, it's like you're just in the trees and watching all the goings on of the campground. So that was like the sweatiest walk at what? It wasn't even 80 degrees.
No.
I think the high was supposed to be 78.
Yeah, it was really close.
That was like the sweatiest walk. And how long did that walk take?
Maybe
20 minutes?
Maybe 15.
15, 20 minutes. Well, I sweat enough with my little bald head to put a sweat mark on that hat I was wearing. Poor little hat. But, we're supposed to be having a storm coming in anytime. I just put the awning out and then was like, let me put that awning right back in because the wind is kind of starting to pick up. I bet if you look at the trees behind me, yeah, you can see some movement. I'm looking in the screen like, watching. Anyways, so, yeah, we've come inside. We're in the air conditioner. It's feeling good. And this is like one of those campouts where it's just me and David and our fur babies, where we're just kind of doing like what we do at home. Sometimes we like to just set up in here and watch movies, enjoy our best life.
Yeah.
Right, David?
Just kind of get away from the old...
Just get away from the old, regular old routine.
Yeah. Just kind of break it up, even if we're doing the same thing. Just get away from it.
So, David's over here. We're fans of making frozen pizzas while we're camping. So let's go over here and look at this pizza. David, he put a little bit of pizza with his onion. Let's see all that onion, David.
Yeah, so I think that the onion and bell peppers are the best part of the pizza.
It looks like onion snow.
Yeah, it's all going to melt down and be real sweet and flavorful, and it's going to give a good texture to the pizza, but that's just how I like it. I like to doctor up my cheap pizzas. Usually we put some parsley on them and some garlic powder, and that can make the difference between bad cheap pizza and a good cheap pizza. So yeah, that's just kind of what I'm doing over here is making special cheap pizzas. Done.
How's your onion pizza?
Oh, I think it's good and done. These onions are probably nice and sweet. Do a little chop, make it easy to eat.
This isn't Papa John's, this is Papa David's.
Papa David's.
What are these Red Baron?
Yeah, Red Baron pizzas.
Get you a $3.50 pizza and turn it into a $20 pizza.
Yeah.
With toppings.
And if you need some extra sauce, just go buy you some marinara. Probably work just fine for you.
So, it's raining. That storm finally got here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna follow you out.
Okay, well, I'll follow you out.
No, I'm gonna follow you out.
Okay.
What you drinking?
Well, I was drinking the red Moscato, and then I ran out of that, so...
No, you're drinking regular Moscato.
I'm drinking regular Moscato, and I'm not mad about it.
Come on, let's do this.
Okay.
I'll turn on the Let's see, porch light. Finally, it's raining. And it's raining pretty good. Just like all of a sudden the rain hit. Look at that. Man. It really started raining. Jeez Louise. Rain, rain, don't go away. We love camping on an unsunny day
Yeah.
in the hot-ass Oklahoma summers.
Always brings a little bit of excitement to the campground.
Yeah, like, you know, we're probably considered crazy people because a lot of people, they don't like taking their RV out in storms, especially, you know, like Midwest, particularly Oklahoma storms, because, you know, we're known for tornadoes. But we love camping in thunderstorms.
If you've grown up in the Midwest like we have, it's just tornado season's more like a thrill.
Yeah, it's like the excitement.
Like you expected, and if it doesn't come, if it's a weak tornado season, and you know, there's terrible things that happen with tornadoes, but you know, just the overall everyday life going through it, if it doesn't happen, you're just like, oh, that was kind of a letdown, you know.
It's not. He's not talking about tornadoes. He's talking about a good thunderstorm.
Yeah, a good thunderstorm.
Now this, they said it's going to be thunderstorms, but where we're at, we're going to be kind of like skinned by the thunderstorms. We're probably just going to get rain, maybe one or two little sounds of thunder.
It'll probably rain good for about 10 minutes, and then after that, just a little mist for the rest of the time.
It looks like an hour and a half of decent rain, though.
I think after the first 10 minutes, I think it'll kind of die down just until like a drizzle.
But we love it. Okay, if you saw our video where we went to Red, White, and Blue Hole, what did we call that video?
I don't remember.
Anyways, there's a video. It was severe weather camping or something.
Yeah.
Anyways, we had a thunderstorm there, and the thunder was. Tell us how it sounded again, David.
Boom!
They're like, boom, boom! You feel it.
Oh yeah, bones. There must have been lightning strikes just right over the campground because it was impactful.
Yeah, it was a good Oklahoma thunderstorm. Right now, it's just rain, and there's a little bit of a breeze, but the awning's not moving now.
Nah,
just maybe barely.
Yeah, it was just the front that's supposed to be a little bit fun, and then after that, it's just supposed to be rainy.
But that's cool. Like there's something about being in your RV during a storm that is fun and exciting. Like you're just like in your little RV, like surviving.
It's one of the perks, definitely.
It's sheltering you, and it's like, oh, this is so neat. You look out the windows. And, you know, and there's an aspect of riding out in your RV with your special somebody. That's kind of romantic, too, you know.
It is. It's very romantic.
You have to shelter in place and ride it out and have the experience. And I don't know about you, but I really like hearing the rain on the roof.
Oh, yeah.
The roof of the RV, like, our RV has the rubber roof, so it kind of dampens the sound a little bit, but you still hear like a pitter-patter or...
Yeah. I've always been a fan of rain and thunder. It's just a wonderful atmosphere.
And there's been times where like we're sleeping, we're in our bed, and you know our headboard's in a slide, and I'll kind of like wake up a little bit, and I'll be hearing like a little rain on the top of our headboard slide out. And I'm just like, oh, what a comforting sound. And then I sleep like so much harder. What about you?
Oh, I sleep much better. And I'll tell you, I even sleep better whenever it's a little crazy out. And you're like, are we going to make it through this? But then you're so tired, you're just like, I'm going to bed.
Is a tree going to slam down across our bedroom and kill us?
But sleep is worth so much more than staying up and wondering if it's going to happen.
Yeah, sometimes it's like, screw it, I'm going to bed. If it's my time, it's my time.
That's just the Oklahoma lifestyle for you.
That's right, yeah. So we're going to sip on our glasses of wine and kind of set it underneath our awning and take in the sight of the rain and everything. It's great, you know. most like houses these days, you don't get like a big porch.
Yeah.
When I was younger, my mom's house, she had like a craftsman home with like a big porch on it, and you could sit out there and in the rain and the storms and enjoy it and you're dry. Well, with the RV awning, you know, as long as the wind isn't blowing, it's kind of the same thing. It's like having a big porch. You can actually sit out and enjoy the weather. And I love that. I just love it.
Nothing like a deep porch to sit out and watch the weather happen.
So anyways, yeah, we're going to kind of hang out for a little bit. And I don't know what our next clip's going to be. You'll find out in a second.
Yeah.
So this weekend is like kind of a triple birthday. Two of my closest, oldest best friends and I have birthdays in the same month during August. So the three of us have gotten together here at the RV to do things that us elder millennials do when we're camping.
From our childhood.
Do what? Yeah, we're doing like things that we used to do in our childhood, but adulty in RVs. So, what are we doing, guys?
Playing the original Super Mario Brothers on an original NES.
Oh, let's see that remote. Oh.
Hey, just for you know, up, down, down, A, B, start. That's your cheat.
Travis, is it your turn
They
still?
all know. They are internet children. They all know that you just got that code wrong.
That you just got the code wrong. Okay, so here's what elder millennials do RVing. We play original Mario. Poor David, you guys are probably like, where's David? But his work needed him early tomorrow morning, so poor David's missing out. We love you, David.
Love you, David.
Say it again.
Love you, David.
Aww.
Even in the video.
Rhiannon's saying how hot and sweaty and everything it is out here, and so true. It's time. We've got 2 slides brought in. We're about to bring the awning in and the last slide and bring the stabilizers up and head to the dump station. My most favorite part. I'm just kidding. So stinky, nasty, disgusting. Especially after like sweating from hitching everything up, and then you got to go deal with the dump station, which here it's in the blazing sun. But anyways, guys, so thanks for tuning in to our little video of our weekend out here for our triple birthday-ish weekend party. And don't forget to hit the like, the subscribe. If you hit the bell, you're an angel. Check us out on Instagram, decampers80. I actually got it right that time. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.